Just-
Yes. Okay, you are trying to match this one. Yes.
यस सर, मैंने उसको आधा ही स्केच किया।
Positive.
देन वो
Perfectly. Soptik, uh, ये आपने खुद से किया है और हाउ?
नहीं, पहला हमने डिस्कस किया था एक क्लास पे, ये साइड डिस्कस किया था उसका, वो दूसरा साइड मैंने ट्राई किया, नहीं हो रहा था सेम ऐसा। सरफेस एक्सट्रैक्ट करके उसमें से लाइन मार के वो इंटरसेक्ट किया हमने, वो नहीं हो रहा था वो दूसरा साइड।
No. You had done this side by your own or we discuss in live session. This.
We discussed in live session, we discussed this,
Okay.
up to this
Okay.
we have discussed।
So you know how to match this one. Yes.
हाँ, वो दो पीस मैंने मैच किया, वो उसका
Hmm.
दूसरा साइड है वो मैच नहीं हो रहा था।
This side is not matching.
No, not this is mirror side, not this,
Huh.
the front side।
Okay. This one.
No,
No, the
just
opposite side,
opposite
the
this side।
inclined, the inclined one.
This side, sir, this side. I have tried extra by extracting the these things.
Which side is not
The
matching?
the,
This one?
the curved things, sir. No, front
Yes.
side, the curve we have.
No, the
No, no, no.
small gliding, sir, in the front,
This
extreme
one?
front. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
This,
Okay. Mm, okay. We will work on this portion. Okay. So let's discuss. I think you had some issue on this pocket as well. Yes.
हाँ वो अंदर दौड़ा जा रहा है, वो पूरा
Hmm.
2.5 से नहीं है वो, कटिंग है।
Okay. No issue.
बस
Uh.
टॉप लाइन पे स्केच मारा, देन
Hmm.
उसको आप पैड मारने के आप लिमिटिंग सरफेस देना है। आपने
Hmm.
बोला तो वो क्लास पे वो नीचे का सरफेस लिमिटिंग दे सकते हैं हमने।
Hmm.
ये मैंने ट्राई किया, नहीं हो रहा था, इट इज शोइंग सम एरर।
Where is? Do you have that body? This one?
एंड वन स्केच है, मैं वो वर्किंग वर्किंग है ना,
Okay.
वर्किंग।
Okay. Working. Okay. No issue. See.
उसमें कुछ फिल मैंने मार के रखा।
Let me extract this one. First, I will have to do some analysis. See, before starting
वो एक्सट्रैक्ट करके
anything,
रखा है सब।
extract करके रखा है. Hmm. Control 2. Let me take a new geometrical set separately for me only. Alt I G, enter, extract 1. Oh, no propagation. Multi selection 2. Okay, let's hide this one. Right click N, keep over here, hide. Okay, now take the intersect. See, in intersect also, let me show you. You can take intersect in one shot if you have two surface. See, we have two surface now. Yes, this two. So in first element multi selection, I will select both surface 1 and 2, close, and the third element I will select this one in second one, this second element, and click on OK. See, I got to intersect 1 and 2. Okay. Now, so what, sir, what you are doing? I just want to check is there any angle or not. Any geometry, any geometry. This with MTD. See, there is angle 4 degree. This with MTD 4 degree. Perfect. Similarly, I think there will be some angle with this as well. Yes, ये भी side में angle
यस सर।
रहना चाहिए. So let's cross check. How? Let's put one line through this, or let's cancel. Take a point in between this point and this point. middle point, click OK. Activate your master access system, set as OK, it is already in current. So every time if this is your master access system, please change the property. Okay, समझ में आ जाता है clearly, and change the color, make it yellow or something else. Okay, it is already current, so let's take one access system over here. By default we will get the same orientation like this one. Why? Because it is current. Click OK. Now I will take the intersection. Okay, this is a single surface which will be in intersection with this one. Intersection with this one, click OK. This time, so you are getting two intersection, this one and this one. Do you want both? Yes. So I will click on keep all sub element, click OK. Okay, now let's measure the angle. Any geometry with this one. Angle is 4 degree. Any geometry, any geometry. 4 degree. Perfect. Means we have 4 degree. Okay, so let's do one thing again. Uh, with the surface, this one. You can do one thing. See, simple ways. Anyone knows what is a simple way? See what I will do here.
from
Yes, anyone?
from
Manish?
top side
Uh,
sketch.
hmm. But
Uh,
sketch, Manish, Mahesh, we will draw this sketch in top side. Okay, no issue. But what you will do for the sketch? Will you project?
इसमें जो जिस
या
पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करेंगे प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे
प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे और फिर उसको ड्राफ्ट दे देंगे.
Okay,
रेक्टेंगल मार के वो प्रायर करके ड्राफ्ट लेंगे से
but how
अरे
how how will you project? What
Sir,
you will project?
which age do we have to project? The
Yes, that
inside one or
that is that
outside
is
one?
my question. That is the question. What you will
उसका टॉप
project?
टॉप
Top edge? Rahul, what you will project? नाम क्यों दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes. महबूब, what you will project? Agnew, Bhuvneshwar, Vilas, Manish, Chaitanya. Yes. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Hello.
यस सर यस सर नाउ इट्स ओके
Sorry. What you will project? Yes. See, the simple logic is, tell me, are you getting any intersection with your, see, you want to draw sketch in top plane means your Z plane, yes or no? Are you getting any intersection of surface with Z plane directly
नो सो कैन आई एक्सट्रापोलेट दिस सर्कस बाय जॉइनिंग
by joining? Okay.
But sir,
Hmm.
we have to, if in the tooling we can't means if we not projected that edges and drawn in the main tooling direction, that sketch and remote, so that it is not, it will not clear in tooling, I think.
Mm, see, we have 4-degree draft. Okay.
Yes.
That means all sides should have the draft of 4 degree.
with
And for
respect
the
to
draft, we will need neutral element, yes or no? For the draft, we will need
Yes.
neutral element. Okay, so see, my logic will be something like this. I will join this surface. What I'm thinking about the neutral element. Okay, I will extract this one in tangent propagation. Okay, I will extrapolate this. Good. Click OK. Hide this one. Extract upper surface now. Click OK. Extrapolate. Beginners, you can see what we are doing. Okay. Anyhow, we will repeat this one. Okay. See, up. Let me do one thing. Sorry. Undo. Redo. कहाँ गया? Okay. Done. Now tell me, can I take the intersection in top plane? Yes or no? Sketch.
So
See, this is my empty body, body 7. Position sketch on top plane like this. Click OK. This is the surface. Right click center graph, extrapole, intersect in sketch. Okay. Then exit. You can isolate, no issue. You can use control 1 pad. Let me try. See, we have the closed surface. Okay, we have the closed 3D curve. Let me try the pad command because last session में वो नहीं हुआ था ना. Let's see. See, I can't select this profile.
sir, top side.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. What I was trying, जो 3D curve है ना वो pad में हम select कर सकते हैं क्या?
Okay.
Because in latest CATIA we can select. Or in this one we don't have the option. We can select this profile and we will have to give the direction for pad like Z. But right now we will use this one, top sketch. Okay, let's extend on both side. ज़्यादा भी extend नहीं करते, otherwise what will happen? See, don't keep unnecessary pad value. Why? Because in draft command I think it will fail most of the time. If your pad body is not a uniform shape body, it will fail. See, okay. Now I can apply draft on this face. Tell me what will the neutral element quickly.
the Z plane.
Why?
We have took the intersection with the Z plane.
Perfect. Mahesh, Rahul, Vilas, Manish, Bhuvnesh,
Yes, sir.
Chaitanya, Mehboob, Agnew, are you getting this point? Yes or no? Why I extrapolated this surface? Why I was thinking regarding the neutral element? अभिषेक, अभी आपको पता चल रहा है कि कितना सिंपल हो गया ड्राफ्ट देना?
तो मैंने ऐसे ही एक्स्ट्रापोलर करके इंटरसेक्शन लेके वो स्केच बनाया था, बट मेरे को वो लिमिटिंग नहीं मिल रहा है नीचे का।
Which limit?
वो जब हम उसको नीचे से पैड करते हैं, वो एक सरफेस है वो हमारा बॉडी पे, मेन सरफेस पे।
Okay, the bottom limit.
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
Okay, okay.
मैंने ऐसे ही पूरा
Simple.
कर्व नहीं लिया, मैं क्या किया, वो
Hmm.
एडजस्ट एलिमिनेट करके शार्प बना दिया। आफ्टर पैड आई वाज थिंकिंग आई विल
Okay.
अप्लाई फिलेट्स।
Okay, 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 okay. You have converted this turning corners into sharp corners, yes?
हाँ
वो भी
यस
कर
यस,
सकते,
स्केच
नो
में
इशू,
मैंने
अभी भी
ऐसा
कर
ही।
सकते हैं, अभी भी कर सकते हैं, नो इशू. In this sketch also I can do this thing. I will have to isolate, I will have to trim this one, then I will apply fillets. No issue. See, let's do it. Right click center graph.
मैंने क्या किया था सर, ये स्केच है ना, हमने इंटरसेक्ट लिया था,
Hmm.
ये स्केच कंस्ट्रक्शन में रख के इसके ऊपर ही मैं लाइन मारा।
No issue. See, right click
देन वो
isolate.
कर्व के साथ टेंजेंट से रख दिया और sharp corner बना लिया.
Okay, see, after isolate, you are not getting this corner as a separate entity. Okay,
हाँ ये
so that's why. What I was thinking, I will get one point over here, second point over here, then I will delete this one. Undo, 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 undo. Okay, so what you can do, a spline, one, two, three, four, and five. Exit. I think these are the straight lines. I think so. So I
yes
will draw
straight pencil.
a straight line tangent to this one. I think I can use mirror. Where is my mirror command? Okay, and the bottom line, I think it is horizontal. So passing through this one, let's draw one horizontal line. Trim this option, trim these elements.
सर टॉप साइड को भी हम अगर वहाँ पे एक कॉर्नर पे एज ले लेंगे क्या, मतलब ऐसा
Where?
टेंजेंट टॉप
He-
साइड.
Here
हाँ हाँ, यहाँ से एक टेंजेंट लाइन ले लेंगे
we can
और
we can
ऊपर
do we can do one thing. I think this should be tangent to this one like this.
हाँ सर मैंने ऐसे लाइन दिया था उसके साथ टेंजेंसी.
Okay, see, let's try again. It is not a technical portion.
नो सर,
Hmm.
that you have done that curve, we have done the spline, we have done.
Huh.
Instead of
Let's delete.
spline,
Huh. Hmm.
we use line there at
Okay.
the corner, and top side, that top corner we can give fillet like that side.
ओके ओके
हाँ that corner.
मीन्स आपका कहना ऐसा है कि सर एक लाइन सॉरी सर वी विल पुट वन लाइन लाइक दिस सेकंड लाइन लाइक दिस
हाँ
देन वी
yes
विल अप्लाई फिलेट.
yes.
नहीं लेकिन वैसा प्रोफाइल नहीं है ये वैसा प्रोफाइल नहीं लग रहा मुझे. सी लेट मी शो यू. राइट क्लिक. सी वी हैड डन दिस थ्री लाइन. एनी डाउट इन दिस थ्री लाइन?
No sir.
इसको थोड़ा ट्रिम कर लेते हैं और इसको थोड़ा सा फिक्स कर देते हैं फॉर नाउ. Okay, let's isolate this one now. Okay, let's delete this bottom line. Delete it. Fix this one because we are done with this one. Right click, fix it. Okay, right click, fix it. See, let me show you ये क्या है. Trim this one till this point. Trim this one till this point. Okay, now see this, sorry, constant this and this, right click, allow symmetry line y. Okay, अब ये नहीं हो रहा है because it is fixed. Okay, but let's delete this one. नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं हो रहा है, no issue. 3-point curve, 1, 2 and 3. Are you getting? It is not a
Yes sir.
line, it is a
It's
circle.
an arc.
Okay, so let's do one thing. Undo. Let's put this in construction. Okay, turn off the construction. The best way, see, spline will be not the exact match or it will not be exact solution, so I will use this one. See, now I will use trim. Exit. Now Abhishek, same thing we will do what you have done in your file. Okay, let's apply what we will do first. We'll apply draft on
Corner.
1 2, no
हाँ
corner,
draft.
draft 4 degree.
Yes.
Neutral will be
Z plane.
z plane. Pulling direction will be over MTD.
MTD.
Pulling direction will be upside or downside?
Ups,
Right.
Downside.
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 Downside. Preview. Oh, what happened? Click OK. Done. No issue. हाँ, क्यों सर्कल मिला था? क्योंकि ये साइड वाला सर्कल है. ओके, डन. सी इट इज परफेक्टली मैचिंग. नो इशू. व्हाट इज द फिलेट वैल्यू, अभिषेक? एनी आइडिया?
No, sir, देखा नहीं sir.
जस्ट वी कैन डू वन थिंग. चलो ट्राई एंड एरर कर लेते हैं. हाँ, आई थिंक 4 विल वर्क. नो,
So
5 will work.
4.75.
4.75. Again, it will not work. Why? See, let me tell you, first of all, it is not a corner. Why? Because you don't have the smooth edges. अगर यहाँ पे smooth edges
Yes, sir.
रहते थे तो मैं डायरेक्टली बोल देता था सर यहाँ पे कॉर्नर अप्लाई कर लो. ओके, that means it they have taken this directly in sketch. Okay, डायरेक्टली स्केच में उन्होंने किया है. सो दैट्स वाई ये मैच नहीं होगा. अभी फिलहाल का ही रख देते हैं
Yes, sir.
4.7. ओके, इट विल नॉट मैच. ओके, बट यू विल हैव टू नोटिस. करने के पहले आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. यू शुड चेक बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एनीथिंग whether it is a fillet or it should be. सी अभी ये ऊपर का 4.7 है, नीचे का नहीं है. ओके, दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो इसको 4 रख देते हैं. ओके, so let's keep like this. Okay, done. Now the lower surface, this surface, from where we will get this surface? Quickly.
So the top P1 से वो top offset कर सकते हैं.
Top surface.
Offset हो सकता है. Same हमने वो beat को discuss किया था ऐसा.
Yes, you have right click center graph. See, I will not extract directly from positive body. Right click F. I will not extract directly this surface. What is a good method? How to extract the faces? Quickly.
Sir sketch पे जाके वो
You should extract any element. If you want to extract, you should extract it from the main source. Main source means from, tell me on which command you got these faces. Quickly. After which command you,
sketch.
sorry?
So from sketch.
No, not from sketch, from pad 4. Right
हाँ
click F.
हाँ yes sir.
Yes or no? Okay, not from pad 4. Define from each fillet 15 you got 1 2 3 4 5. Yes or no? Yes or no, everyone? Rahul, Mahesh, Vilas, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So define this one. See, you can extract from this as well. यहाँ पे भी आपको वो surface मिल रहा है. But just to avoid the update cycle issue. याद है update cycle issue? Yes or no? You know the update cycle issue? Yes. See what will happen
Yes, sir.
if you extract surface from this stage by defining this one. That means you are keeping the relation of this surface from positive body. So you can't perform any operation on positive body. Got it? But
हाँ
what we can
yes sir.
do, we will keep the relation from here. जितना नीचे रख सकते उतना नीचे रखेंगे. इसके बाद क्या किया आपने? व्हाट इज दिस? नो इशू, हमें वो नहीं चाहिए. वी वांट ओनली दिस 4 फेसेस. 1 2 3 4 5. दैट्स इट. कंट्रोल 2, extract. Click OK. Don't use tangent C. Right click center graph. Shit. Delete this one. Undo. extract. I don't want tangency, I want no propagation. Okay, I will hide this one. Use join command, right click distance propagation, click OK. We'll use mirror for this one. What is this? Symmetry. Okay, with respect to our master access system, click OK. Join again, enter. Let's check in smooth mode. There should not be any sharp edge after mirror. Perfect. Now, what is the offset value? From this surface, see, surface, we can't select this surface. So this should be converted into surface only. This surface till this one. What is the offset value? What happened?
surface any geometry.
Shit. From this surface till this one. What is the value? 1.9 something.
Um,
Copy this one. Offset this surface downside by reverse. Okay. Oh, sorry. Double click. This should be reverse. Okay. See? Is it matching? Match नहीं हो रहा है.
master,
I think it is 2
master.
mm. Double click. It is 2 mm. Not matching exactly. Okay. Exactly
फिर
match
after
नहीं हो
shell
रहा.
के फिर
हाँ. Sorry.
तो shell के बाद वो 90 डिग्री उस टाइम
I
मैच
think so.
होगा.
हाँ. Hmm. But
सर अगर नीचे कोई
but the
एक्सट्रैक्ट किया
issue
तो
is यहाँ पे एज हाइट ज़्यादा दिख रहा है एंड यहाँ पे थोड़ा अंदर गया है.
हाँ.
दैट इज द
Yes.
इशू. मीन्स इट
Yes,
इज
sir.
नॉट अ एग्जैक्ट ऑफसेट ऑफ अपर सरफेस. यू शुड ड्रॉ अ सेपरेट curve for this one. Yes, Mahesh? Sorry,
नीचे का सरफेस अगर एक्सट्रैक्ट किया तो सर
which surface? This one?
नो
This one?
बॉटम
नहीं
साइड
नहीं नहीं from
यस
the dumb body.
From
हाँ.
dumb body we can extract, but again there will be no, what we can say, parametric relation.
नॉन पैरामेट्रिक.
See, for now you can keep it. अगर आपको रखना ही है, so what you can do for now, if you want to keep this, you can keep it, no issue. Anyhow, sir, why? Because anyhow you can see, you can change the shape of the cutout by editing the top sketch. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You want this surface only for limiting purpose. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
So
yes.
you can I will use the fill command by keeping tendency of this one. Click OK like this. Good, Mahesh. Good idea. Okay. See, कभी कभी हम dumb surface और dumb element use कर सकते हैं. Why? What is the benefit? See, sorry, undo. Shit. यहाँ पे कीबोर्ड पे करंट क्यों आ रहा है? Extrapole this surface curvature. See, don't extrapolate unnecessarily. Okay, just try to keep as minimum as possible point propagation. Shit. Try to keep value as minimum as possible. जितना काम का उतना ही रखिए. Okay. Join this with this one. 0.03 or 0.001, no issue. Now you have the pad. Okay. Now see, What Mahesh mentioned, so can we use the lower surface directly extract? Yes. Why? Because if see in future, what are the possibilities of modification? Tell me.
The size of the
The shape,
cutout.
the shape of the cutout,
Cutout shape.
and
Yes.
and
The position.
Draft.
draft. So we have the draft option. We can change the draft. We can change the fillets. We can change the shape and size of the body. Again, what are the possibilities?
Radius, side radius.
हाँ वो तो हो गया ना डिस्कस. We had that one.
The position.
Sorry.
The position.
Okay, the
Depth.
position again,
The depth.
the depth. Okay, the depth of the cutout we will have to change in future as per the requirement. So we have the surface which we will use for to control the depth. So इसको select करके if I put let's say 0 का एक offset दे के रख देते left side. Okay, and hide the join. Yes or no? What we have done, we have used one offset with 0 mm offset. Yes, 0 mm value.
Yes, sir.
Now this is my body and this is a dump. Can I do one thing? Directly double click on pad. Okay, let's define this one and split it in part design via split option. See over here. Here we have split option with help of this surface. Downside arrow or upside arrow? Arrow should be which side we want, upper or lower?
Upper.
We want
Upper.
a upper.
So arrow should be on upper side. Click OK. Done. Now
Yes.
see in future now you can use this body for removing purpose, yes or no? Boolean operation.
Yes.
So in future, let's say if someone is telling you no, we will have to increase the depth. Right click A, show the offset, cancel. Double click on the offset, put 2 mm. Let's say 2 mm. Reverse direction. Let's check upside or downside. Reverse direction, downside. Click OK. We have changed the offset value. Right click on the split F, right click L. Done. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Simple. Clear?
तो मैंने वो
Chaitanya Bhuvneshwar
लिमिटिंग
Agna.
सर्फस दिया
Yes.
था वो काम नहीं कर रहा था अपार्ट फ्रॉम स्विच.
Do we have the कहाँ पे है वो बॉडी अभिषेक?
वो वर्किंग पे मैंने एक फील्ड ऐसे रखा था वो फील्ड मैंने एक्सट्रापोलेट नहीं किया था. ऊपर एक वर्किंग का ज्योमेट्रिकल सेट है.
फिल. ओके.
वो सरफेस अनट्रिम किया मैंने वो फील्ड अनट्रिम किया.
ओके. हाँ तो अनट्रिम के बाद भी वो मैच नहीं होगा. व्हाई?
हाँ.
जस्ट अ मिनट. वेयर इज द एक्सट्रैक्ट? कहाँ से किया आपने ये फिल एक्सट्रैक्ट?
उसका एडज
हाँ
एडज एक्सट्रैक्ट मार
ओके
दिया
आई
डम
गॉट इट.
डम का.
सी व्हेन इट विल वर्क अभिषेक, लेट मी शो यू व्हाट यू हैव डन. आपने ये एक्सट्रैक्ट लिया. ओके, you have extracted. Everyone please focus. No propagation or cancel, or let's select one face with tangency. Okay, you have extracted this face और आपने यहाँ पे एक fill दे दिया. Yes or no अभिषेक?
हाँ वो एक्सट्रैक्ट
Tell
करके
me.
फिल दे दिया.
नहीं, tell me, आपने fill देते वक्त इसको tangency दिया था? No.
नहीं दिया था मैंने.
That's why अभी हमने क्या notice किया? This face is perpendicular to our vertical face जिस पे 4 degree draft दिया है. Yes or no? We have the 4 degree draft. After that we
हाँ
had this
ऐसा.
face perpendicular. So if you are using fill command, आपने ये fill कर दिया. Done. So tell me, अगर आप इस दोनों को join करोगे तो यहाँ पे sharpage आएगा. Yes or no? Means this fill is not in the flow with respect to this surface. So double click on this one, give the support, then OK. Now you can hide this one. Now try to extrapole. आपने extrapole किया था, yes? Or I think you had done untrim, yes?
Yes, sir.
Now let's use untrim. Now let's try. See, is it matching? Yes or no? See, it is matching. Let's
Yes, sir.
ex
Yes.
let's extrapole this surface with point continuity and curvature 5 mm. Okay. See, is it matching perfectly? लॉजिक मिल रहा है आपको? समझ में आ
Yes,
रहा है
sir.
व्हाट आई एम
Yes,
टेलिंग
sir.
यू? भुवनेश्वर,
हाँ,
अग्निव।
मैंने वो टेंजेंसी नहीं रखा था वो
हाँ,
फिल्म को।
दैट्स व्हाई। सी, let me show you practically. Let me show you like this. Okay. See, everyone, please focus. You had this edge. You had the second edge. Okay. If you are applying fill without any support, your fill will be a straight fill. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Agnew, Bhuvneshwar, Rahul, Mahesh,
Yes. Yes,
okay,
sir.
Manish,
Yes, sir.
Chaitanya,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Vilas,
Yes.
Mehboob. Okay. This will be a simple fill what Abhishek has done in his file. But what I did, ha, again, second thing, after this fill, if you are using extra pole and your expectation is, sir, ये match होना चाहिए. It should match like this. But yes, after, sorry, not extra pole, the untrim. After untrim, your surface is going like this, yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
But what I did on my side, color pink one, okay. What I did, I use fill with tangency support. So I got surface like this. After untrim, after untrim, I will get exact surface like this, even though after untrim and extra pole. Got it?
Yes, सर ऐसा आपने स्प्लिट किया था वो लिमिटिंग सरफेस का तो पैड पे ही सरफेस लिमिट करके कर सकते हैं गाड़ी
नहीं,
ट्राई कर सकते हैं।
नहीं. Why? Tell me the reason why. Anyone? See, what is the question? Sir, can we use the same surface as a limiting surface directly in pad command? Quickly, Rahul, Mahesh, Mehboob.
Update, sir.
Sorry, Rahul. कर सकते हैं yes or no? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया कि नहीं? See, what is the
नहीं,
question?
क्वेश्चन बताइए.
See, what is the question? Abhishek, could you please repeat your question?
सर अभी हमने वो स्प्लिट में आ रहा अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कैन वी गिव द सरफेस को ऐसे लिमिटिंग।
Got it? अरे यस नो कुछ तो बोलिए, म्यूट पे बैठे हो सब लोग. एक ही क्वेश्चन 3 बार पूछना पड़ रहा है. यस और नो?
Yes.
महेश, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? अभिषेक क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं? यस महेश. राहुल.
पैड का सरफेस सर एज ए लिमिटिंग सरफेस यूज कर सकते हैं क्या, ऐसा पूछ रहे हैं.
यस. सी, अगर if anyone is asking you some question, you should get that point. What is the question? What is the doubt? क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट्स में भी ऐसे लॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे. सी, द क्लाइंट विल नॉट आस्क यू कैन यू यूज दिस surface as a limiting surface. No, it is your responsibility how to design anything in CATIA, surfacing or part design, anything. But such logical question in meetings they will ask you. तब ऐसे बैठ के नहीं रहना है म्यूट पे. Your counterpart means your client is asking you something. So you should ask them, sir, could you please repeat? Sir, I'm not getting your question. बैठे हो म्यूट पे, क्या कर रहे हो? ओके, सो टेल मी द आंसर. कम से कम आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में आना चाहिए. उससे क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट? यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. व्हाई? Because it will build your logic. It is a logical question. What Abhishek is asking, sir, can we use this surface directly in pad limit? Yes or no? What is your answer, Mehboob? Vilas, can we
सर
use?
मैंने ट्राई किया था.
See, directly double
सर
click
आई
on
थिंक
pad
ड्राफ्ट में प्रॉब्लम होगा.
up to surface. What Abhishek is asking, in pad command, can we use up to surface this surface directly? Yes, Mahesh, what is your point?
No, sir.
No, no. What was your point now? Where will the issue?
आई थिंक ड्राफ्ट में प्रॉब्लम होगा सर.
Yes.
यस सर, यस यस यस.
Yes, because that has been.
Yes, Agnew. See, आपका जो भी लॉजिक है ना, वॉट एवर लॉजिक यू हैव इन योर माइंड, ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन. बाहर निकालिए वो लॉजिक को, बात कीजिए थोड़ा सा इधर लाइव सेशन में. इट विल बिल्ड योर लॉजिक. आपका उतना एक्सपर्टी बढ़ेगा उसमें. जैसे अभिषेक ने क्वेश्चन पूछा, मैंने डायरेक्टली आपके तरफ ही वो क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको पूछा. आप ही बताइए इसका आंसर, क्योंकि मुझे इसका आंसर पता है. बट वॉट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम योर साइड, यू शुड थिंक ऑन इट. अब महेश ने बताया, सर देर विल बी इशू इन ड्राफ्ट. नाउ Agni, what is your point? Yes, Agni. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello. 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 Hello, hello. Shit. Hello.
हेलो सर. हेलो हेलो.
Hello, can you hear me? Some network issue from my
यस सर,
side.
यस सर.
हेलो सर, आवाज़ आ रही है?
Yes, yes.
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
Just a minute, just a minute. There is some network issue. Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
हेलो.
Yes, can you hear me now?
यस सर. मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है सर?
Yes, yes, Agni.
हाँ. हाँ, मैंने बताया था वो ड्राफ्ट वाला पॉइंट.
हाँ, yes. Can you see my screen?
यस सर. यस यस.
यस.
Yes, so there will be issue in draft. Why? Because you will need some neutral element. जो neutral element you are using, it is in top. This is the top plane. Okay. और जब आप यहाँ पे से split करोगे, I think this portion there will be no material while for the draft. Okay. So maybe it will work or it will be not work. Okay. You will have to check. Sometime कैसे रहता है वो logically. It is logically. See. If you split it, you will split like this. Okay, and after split this will be a neutral element like this. So you don't have any material over here for draft. Are you getting? तो हो सकता है there will be
यस सर.
chances that the draft will fail or it will pass. Don't know. Depends on the logic of Katia. Okay, so instead of wasting your time like this, first let's apply draft, then split it as per your requirement. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So everyone, please finish this assignment as soon as possible, because I think from next session we will start your project. Okay, advanced candidate.
Okay, sir. Okay.
From next session, see, अभी बहुत मतलब topics and doubts, there will be so many topics and doubts. Okay, but instead of discussing on the small topics, what we will do, we will start our project work. Means automatically we will start our discussions on some complicated portions. So automatically your doubt will get solved.
सर
Yes, Agnew?
सर लास्ट डेट से एक मेरा प्रॉब्लम पेंडिंग है, क्या आप
Yes.
एक मैं फाइल शेयर किया है।
Okay. Where is your file?
तो मैंने वो एपिलर का फोटो शेयर किया था।
Sorry,
साइड कवर
एपिलर
प्लास्टिक
का।
वाला पार्ट
this
है
one.
मेरा। हाँ हाँ हाँ।
Saptik Agnew. Yes.
हाँ सर, वो जो लास्ट वाला हुक है उसका पोजीशन जब मैं चेंज किया, हाँ ये वाला,
This one.
तो हाँ हाँ हाँ,
Huh.
इसका पोजीशन जब मैं चेंज किया तो लिफ्टर का जो डायरेक्शन वो चेंज हो गया, इंक्लाइंड हो
This
गया।
one. This one.
हाँ सर,
Why?
मुझे
Huh.
समझ नहीं आ रहा कि
Okay.
वो।
Let's see. Let's see. Right click parent children. Show. Okay. ये लाइन कहाँ से निकाला आपने? What is this? Right click show. Okay. I think your support is not okay. From where? See, to define this line, you have used this line. Okay, Agnew.
यस सर।
Say
हाँ
right
हाँ
click A. Here you can see line 13. Line 13 means this line. Let's see what you have done over here. Right click A, extract. What is this? Okay. Right click A, point this one. You have taken one point somewhere here, and you have this curve. Okay.
यस
And you have isolated this one. Okay. And you have taken this line as an intersection with this plane. I think so. ओके, लेट मी टेल यू, मुझे लॉजिक समझ में आ गया आपका क्या हुआ था। सी,
सर
एनीवन,
मे बी वो
एनीवन
पॉइंट
कुड यू प्लीज
दूसरा
एक्सप्लेन?
एक्सेस।
यस अभिषेक।
सर वो पॉइंट वो इंटरसेक्शन है ना, उसमें लिया था अभी ने।
ओके।
वो लाइन हमारे लिफ्टर का वो डिग्री एंगल था ना, ऊपर करने के लिए लिया था वो पॉइंट में भी।
हाँ।
वो पॉइंट दूसरा एक्सेस सिस्टम से कोऑर्डिनेट बनाया होगा, वो एक्सेस सिस्टम दूसरा कुछ तो होगा वो किया।
नो, दिस इज
तो
आइसोलेटेड
उसने
पॉइंट अभिषेक, राइट नाउ इट इज आइसोलेटेड पॉइंट, मुझे यहाँ पे आइसोलेटेड दिख रहा है। राहुल, महेश, अदर्स, सी जो भी, सी इफ एनीवन इज आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, ट्राई टू थिंक ऑन इट, बिकॉज कंपनी में सॉल्यूशंस निकालना पड़ता है, बैठे नहीं रहना है, एक क्वेश्चन पूछा है तो दूसरा देखते बैठेगा, नो, ट्राई टू थिंक, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट सॉल्यूशन। यस अभिषेक।
सर उसको कुछ रिलेशन नहीं है, वो हमने अभी वो
हम्म।
क्लिप क्लिप चेंज किया तो उसका किसी के साथ कुछ रिलेशन नहीं है, वो आइसोलेटेड है,
यस।
वो उधर ही रहेगा।
हाँ।
सर, क्या मेरे
तो
वो रिलेशन अब
उस
क्या इस एक्सिस सिस्टम के साथ लाना पड़ेगा इसका?
I think so. See, others, Indian wants to try. Mahesh, Rahul, Manish,
और
Chaitanya.
पॉइंट को उस लाइन से प्रोजेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, जो इंक्लाइन लाइन है वहाँ पर,
Inclined line, this one.
सरफेस के ऊपर, सरफेस के ऊपर।
Okay. No,
the point should be coincident with that intersection.
the point should be.
कोइंसिडेंट विद द इंटरसेक्शन के ऊपर ऐसा होना चाहिए मे बी।
Okay, others, Rahul.
Sir, if we change the parent of the lines, so can we
Line,
do
which
that also?
line? This line?
That drafting line, that that's that lifters line, lifter direction line. That their parents can be changed.
No, instead of changing parent, can we do one thing?
तो
See,
वो
what is
पॉइंट चेंज कर सकते हैं हम।
point change कर सकते हैं? How?
वो इंटरसेक्शन कर्व है ना, उसमें एक पॉइंट डालने का और ये लाइन का दूसरा पॉइंट वो पॉइंट देने का।
Hmm. See, the main, see what is the main issue? The main issue is previously, अग्नि का जो ये एक्सेस सिस्टम था वो यहाँ पे था। Yes or no? Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Okay. And see, मुझे नहीं पता अग्नि ने क्या किया था, but logically what I'm thinking, how was the history? यहाँ पे एक्सेस सिस्टम था अग्नि का, और यहाँ पे इनका ये कर था। Yes, अग्नि?
यस सर।
Yes,
हाँ
Agni
सर।
has taken one point over here. यहाँ पे एक point लिया था अग्नि ने, and ये उनका end point था, and what he did, he has created one line like this to find out the lifter direction. और ये line के साथ उन्होंने 1 degree रखा था. Got it? 1 or 2 degree.
हाँ सर।
Yes, but what Agni has done, Agni has color white. What Agni has done, Agni has converted, Agni has isolated this point, but not isolated this curve. Okay, so with this lane, Agni has taken the intersection. That's why he got this curve. On this curve, he has taken one point, and from this point until this end point, he has taken one line. And Agni has shifted this axis system over here now. So he got the intersection. Why? Because it was parametric, it was not isolated. Okay. एंड ये पॉइंट तो लाइन को मिल गया है, लेकिन ये आइसोलेटेड पॉइंट यहाँ पे रह गया। दैट्स वाई ये पॉइंट, ये लाइन ऐसे हो गया। गॉट इट? यस और नो?
यस सर वही बोल रहा हूँ।
Yes,
यस
yes.
यस,
यस सर।
सो दिस पॉइंट शुड नॉट बी आइसोलेटेड अग्न्यू। ओके, डिपेंड्स। सर ऐसा है क्या कि सर मुझे ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा, शुड आई कीप दिस इन माई माइंड? नो। Once you shift your axis system over here to new position, you got this point. Okay, sir, there is some issue with my lifter direction. Now, how to find out the solution? This thing I'm explaining you. So nothing, no issue. Just take the similar point over here and just double click on this line and just change this point like this. Got it?
यस सर।
Simple. क्या हो गया इससे अभी?
सर द डिस्टेंस सेम रखना है या?
Depends. Again, depends. See, let me check. See, take one point on this one, or what you can do, just think on it. Distance क्या रखना है? You will have to think. See, tell me which portion you have to cover in your lifter. This inner portion, yes or no? This is your extreme faces
यस सर।
for the lifter.
यस
These
सर।
are the inner, extreme inner faces. So let's keep this point over here. Okay, I have taken one point anywhere. Double click on this one, this line, and see, this is your point 1. Can you see this point 1? And this is your point 2. Just select over here, just replace point 1 by this point. Click OK. Now right click on this line and say local update. Is it clear now, Agnew?
यस यस सर। यस।
Now, I think in one shot you can update. Right click L. Done.
ओके
Okay.
ओके सर।
Got it? Rahul, Mehboob, Vilas, Mahesh, Manish. Manish, you're on mute. क्या चल रहा है? Chaitanya, Bhuvnesh, all three on mute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Control S. Clear? So Agni, will you modify this file or shall I share this file
यस
with you?
सर. सर मतलब वो पॉइंट को आइसोलेट अगर नहीं करता तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता.
हाँ, yes,
नहीं होता.
yes. So
अच्छा, ओके.
before that, अभी
So
हमने
अगर उसको
प्रीवियस हाँ
अगर आइसोलेट करके कोऑर्डिनेट कर दिया तो वो वैसा मतलब इशू नहीं आएगा ना अगर कोऑर्डिनेट किया तो.
इश्यू नहीं आएगा बट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर सरफेस. सो लेट्स सी यू हैव कन्वर्टेड दिस पॉइंट इनटू कोऑर्डिनेट बट with which axis system you will keep the coordinates? The master,
Master access system.
master, this one, this is the master, this one.
Yes, yes.
But Mahesh, if Agni has shifted the axis system over here, this point should be aligned with the axis system. So वो केस में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You will have to change the coordinate as well. Otherwise आपको same line मिलेगा like this. Got it?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
See, what we want as quick as possible. जैसे मैंने एक्सेस सिस्टम शिफ्ट किया तो ये लाइन भी वन शॉट में मूव होना चाहिए. आपने क्या what you are doing
Some
again, you
master
are
access.
changing the coordinates. So you can do one thing, you can keep the coordinate relation with this axis system. Are you getting?
Okay.
यस,
अगर
यस.
मेरा एक्सेस सिस्टम चेंज होता है तो ये पॉइंट भी चेंज हो जाएगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज हमारा एक्सेस सिस्टम के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट है दिस एक्सेस सिस्टम. बट इसमें इशू क्या होगा? व्हाट विल द इशू? The issue will be if let's say this surface is not like this, it is something like this. Suppose it is going upside. It is going upside. ऐसे जा रहा है surface. Now Agni has shifted this axis system somewhere here. Now this time Agni has shifted like this. But let me tell, if I ask Agni to shift axis system over here, तो ये point भी इधर ऊपर आ जाएगा. Yes or no? Are you getting my point? If you are
Yes, sir.
taking the
Yes.
coordinates.
Yes.
So I will not prefer to take the coordinates. I will prefer to keep the relation with this curve because this is our base curve, base thickness curve.
Yes.
Undercut यहाँ पे आने वाला है, इधर ऊपर नहीं आने वाला है. Got it?
यस सर.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. If you want to break the relation, so can you do one thing? Agni has taken one surface intersection this extract. Yes. Can you do one thing? Can you isolate this surface directly? ये surface ही isolate कर दीजिए ना.
Sir,
Then you
sir,
can keep the relation with the curves. Yes, Abhishek.
सर इसको रिलेशन ब्रेक करके क्या होता है सर? ये तो हमारा पार्ट ही है, पार्ट से
हाँ, you can keep the
रिलेशन
relation. See,
रखा नहीं
anyhow
रखा.
you have extracted this surface from your closed volume, I think so. Yes, ये आपका closed volume का ही surface है. So you can keep the relation. Why should we break? Good question.
Yeah,
अभिषेक भी
yes
क्वेश्चन
sir.
पूछ रहे तो बराबर है. सर क्यों ब्रेक करना है रिलेशन? Anyhow it is from our history. Good point.
Even though we change our part तो को change किया तो भी अपडेट पे
Yes,
जाएगा.
perfect. So that is the logic. So don't break the relation. Got it? Yes or no, Mahesh? Rahul, Manish,
Yes, sir.
Vilas, Mehboob, all are mute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So it's 12:30. Let's take a break. आज का पहला ही डे था, तबीयत अच्छी नहीं थी. So
तो सर
yes,
मैंने वो फोटो शेयर किया, वो दोबारा देख सकता है क्या व्हाट्सएप पे?
yes. Where is the?
एडवांस पे
कहाँ पे?
वो है पिलर का. हाँ, यस.
Good. इसका ड्राफ्ट एनालिसिस किया आपने?
नहीं किया था, नहीं किया था, बट तो भी वो परफेक्ट मैच नहीं है. वो फिलेट, वो कॉर्नर पे वो
हम्म.
ये ट्रांजिशन हो रहा है ना
फिलेट पे ज़्यादा
थिकनेस का.
मैच करना पॉसिबल नहीं रहता है. ओके.
तो मैंने क्या किया था उसमें, दो सरफेस ऑफसेट लिया था, 2.5 का और 1.945
परफेक्ट,
का भी.
परफेक्ट.
वो स्केच हमारा प्लेन पे प्रोजेक्ट किया तो
हम्म,
दोनों कंस्ट्रक्शन पे रख के उसमें से स्प्लाइन मारा, दो भी रख के
हम्म.
दोनों के सब स्प्लाइन मार दिया.
Let's do one
और
thing. We will
टेंजेंसी रख दिया.
okay. So let's do one thing. We will do this in live session. Okay. बिकॉज एक बार आपको करके दिखाना
ओके सर।
पड़ेगा कि हाउ वी कैन मेंटेन द वेरिएबल थिकनेस। ओके, आई थिंक आपने कप होल्डर में वेरिएबल थिकनेस किया है क्या? कप होल्डर नहीं, डोर पैनल का जो होल्डर रहता है उसमें, डोर पैनल
नो
में
सर, हम
वेरिएबल थिकनेस का था, आई
कुछ
थिंक
तो
सो।
पार्ट में लाइव सेशन में वेरिएबल थिकनेस किया था, वो
लेट मी
बाद
चेक।
में हमने चेंज किया, वेरिएबल थिकनेस इग्नोर किया था।
ओके, लेट मी शेयर वन फाइल others। Test cup holder for test, no, yeah, this one, yes or no?
ये तो किया था सर
यहाँ
इसका।
पे आई थिंक, कहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे वेरिएबल थिकनेस था, yes or no? I think I will have to check. See, cat test, आपने इसमें वेरिएबल थिकनेस किया था कि yes or no? Tell me here.
नो, नो सर।
No, so just do this thing.
हम लोग कॉलर में इसी का शायद है।
See, I'm sharing this file with you in data sharing. Okay, just go through the screenshot. See, this is a task. Close volume, tooling direction you are given, box effect you have to do. So what is box effect? On this corner you will have to keep 1.8 mm thickness, rest portion, in rest portion you have to keep 2.5 mm thickness. Clear?
तो हमने वो 1.8 नहीं रखा था, हम पूरा 2.5 करके किया था।
Okay, now this time you will have to keep 1.8 on this corner only, only on one corner, not on all four corners, only on this one corner you have to keep 1.8. Clear?
How can we do that?
That is your test. Okay, just think on it. Okay,
सो नेगेटिव
सर
बॉडी
ऑन द
रिमूव कर सकता है क्या?
कॉर्नर ऑन द लाइन।
sorry,
सर बोल रहा था ऑन द कॉर्नर मीन्स ऑन द लाइन, लाइन पोजीशन
not
और
online,
द होल फिलेट।
not on whole fillet. Okay, see, suppose your, this is your A surface. Okay, this is your A surface. Okay, after offset, okay, shit, after offset you will take 2.5 mm offset. Okay, you will take 2.5 mm offset. Okay, so on this portion, you have to keep 1.8 mm. Got it?
ओके ओके गॉट इट सर।
This should be 1.8, so this will be variable. Okay, and sorry, and this will be 2.5. Clear? Without any step.
ओके सर।
So the red line means here is the red line, middle of the corner. Clear? And this is the test, actual test for 1.5 hour. Okay, we call it as box effect. Okay, थोड़ा
Sir,
सा
what is box effect, sir?
वहाँ पे थोड़ा flexibility आने के लिए you can check and you can answer in next session what is box effect and what is the purpose. Okay,
Yes.
see, whatever you have question, just Google, search on the Google, search on the chat GPT on YouTube, and in next session you will explain what is the box effect. Okay, so you have the file, last time you have taken I think you have completed the complete closed volume with 2.5 mm uniform thickness. Now you will have to consider the
Yes.
non-uniform 1.8. Okay, and share the screenshot, and also please mention the time. See, आप में से कोई भी यहाँ पे टाइम मेंशन नहीं कर रहा है. ओके एवरीवन, अभिषेक यू हैव नॉट मेंशन द टाइम, हाउ मच टाइम यू हैव टेकन ओवर हियर. आपको अगर 4 आवर लगते हैं
तो
तो यहाँ पे
बहुत लेट।
मेंशन कीजिए 4 आवर. ओके, here also Chaitanya, please mention the time, 2 hour, 3 hours. Here also Chaitanya. Okay, any other doubts? Shall we stop? It's 12:30. 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
from tomorrow we will have regular sessions. Okay, no issue.
ओके
Okay then. So let's stop.
Okay.
See you in
Thank you.
next session. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Yes.